Having a little Saturday morning hike, just out here.
Yeah, hello.
Doing what Amber loves to do, go hiking and just explore. So put the cozy clothes on, got a coffee, my favorite. Let's go and explore, but what am I wearing? You can hold this so I can show them what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing my Emanuel. This is the NYC exclusive, the electric boat hoodie. Miles, New York sweats, my favorite Salomons. So cozy Saturday, cozy vibes. Take you guys on this nice little nature walk. So I don't think I'm feeling that adventurous to go into this pathway. Plus, like the last time me and Amber came, there was a bunch of little baby snakes just like slithering around. I ain't trying to get bit, so I ain't going up that way. So we'll probably just take the pedestrian route this way, because ain't nobody trying to disappear or get bit by no snake.
Not today.
Not today, hell no. Plus I got a lot of important things to do in the next weeks, I should say, yeah. Right?
Lots of interesting
wink,
stuff.
wink, hint, hint. Got a lot of cool things I'll be doing, so a little tidbit for you guys. So we're going into the garden. Like to come here and just vibe out. So this garden, you guys can see it's just sick in here. It's super nice. It's just a whole vibe. So, you know, just how we spend our Saturday today. Just relax for peaceful vibes. Get some pictures, get some content for you guys. Doing my exercise through this garden. So nice. And they just maintain it so good. Look at those fishes. Here it's just so sick. Like, look at this. It's just so peaceful.
Random black cat.
That cat that's chilling there. That's his spot. In the shade. If you guys can see him, he's like right over there. This thing takes forever to zoom in. Some really great Instagram pictures over here. I'll insert them on the side. And I'll show you exactly where I got it. Okay. Right here. So I'll insert it on the side for you guys so you guys can see. And then look at this. Look how amazing this is. So beautiful. Such a nice little walk down too. So let's go. To take my hoodie off because I was getting too hot, but Amber's gonna show us some cool thing over here. Whoa. So, what is it? That this used to be like a moon bath? Yeah. So I guess people would take baths over here to like heal themselves. Walk down these little steps. Damn, these steps are sick. Right? Yeah. So.
Yeah, you'll find them all over the place. That's what they used to do then. People used to do like rituals and shit like that.
Mm-hmm. Over here.
They used to do stuff like that.
And then just like
believed in like the gods and the goddesses.
All that stuff. They take the bath and then they have this like crazy view and the moon would be out. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, this is sick.
Oh, this is so nice.
Crazy high up, but it's dope.
I think there's a path over there, look.
To go in over there?
Yeah. I think we should totally try.
Let's go check this thing out. So sick. It looks like they have a tunnel right there, you see it?
Yeah, this is really cool.
Probably goes through the center of all of that. Pop out in the middle of the mansion. Some little lair, a little dungeon. So I guess the inside was turned into like a garden, which is sick. All these like beautiful flowers all over the place. The architecture alone of this place is so like beautiful. Like the lion, course. I haven't worn these in a while. These fit. I'm gonna head down to Soho right now. I'm gonna go pick up one of my friends. We are going to Ron English's exhibition at Allouche Gallery. Fit breakdown, Tom Ford sunglasses, Saint Laurent distressed polka dot shirt over a white Save Khaki V-neck t-shirt, H&M skinny jeans, faded out wash black. I picked this up, probably like almost 10 years ago. Still have them. The fading was just perfect, the wash, and then I just had them made skinnier. And then my Celine cavalry boots in the snakeskin. So, I'm about to roll out. Forget about you.
Testing.